This is regular pancake mix with some walnuts that came from my walnut milk and some frozen blueberries, and I just used some regular pancake mix, added water, and now I'm making pancakes. Hey subbies and friends, this is T, and guess what? I realize fall is one of my favorite times of the year, but fall has been a little challenging for me this year because the way the gray just came in my area was so quick. It was literally just 80 degrees about a week ago, and now the temperature's dropping. The sun is no longer coming out. And I just wanted to pop in and talk about, I think I'm thinking about moving, sorting through these emotions and showing you how I deal with them. Now, sometimes I'm not that self-aware to realize that things are affecting me, but I have realized that fall is one of my favorite seasons, and it's very short. It's a short period between where you can see the leaves changing color to where they actually are gone. So I'm trying to slow myself down, because if you watch my video, I did turn 40, honey, if you didn't know. And one of my big things that has been coming to me is slowing down. So I have been trying to slow down and recognize, wait, this is one of my favorite seasons. I should be getting out more. Although I really just want to stay in the house. You start to feel those emotions of, let me get my hot cocoa and my marshmallows, my apple pie, my tea. You want to just cozy up in the house under a blanket, pull out your old flannels and pajamas, honey. I'm a big Lon John person. But that's all good. We got to start switching our stuff around, pulling out the warm, cozy blankets and pajamas. But we also got to look at that fall shopping. We got to think, do we have the right boots? Do we have our hats? Do we have, whatever we need? So I'm just trying to really pull myself into the moment, because I'll be honest, I don't know about you, but I'm feeling that bear hibernation like a mug. But I'm conflicted because I also really love this time of year. And this is the season when you can wear your little puffer vest, your little cute boots, and you ain't worried about all that snow. Because where I'm from, you can blink and it'll be snow outside. So this is an example of me just showing you my day. If you like it, like it. If you don't, don't. But I'm one of those people who enjoy scenic videos and who enjoy, often I'm by myself going to these places, right? So I like to I tend to find myself thinking a lot and even talking to myself, okay? So I may just be pulling out this camera and recording not only what I see, but what I'm thinking. And maybe I'll share it, maybe I won't. But I want it to feel seamless when I'm doing these videos. And if those who appreciate it happen to find them, great. If they don't, they just don't, because it's not really about other people at this moment. I'm doing a lot of these videos as like a vlog type, journaling type, self-awareness type thing. And, the right people will find it. But anyways, I'm on my way to Burlington here, I've been shopping more for my child than I've been shopping for myself, because quite frankly, I really don't need much. If I buy anything for me, it's more of what I want. But I'm on my way to Burlington to go look at a few items. This child need boots, up jackets. I mean, how do you shop for a toddler? You try to buy up, but then it's too big. So yeah, and if you really notice this video, one of the things when I first left my house I noticed is, look at the grayness. I mean, look at this sky. This is no joke. Where is the blue sky? Where is the sunshine? Okay, this is how I feel in many ways. It's like this, once the sun stops shining, I realize it kind of does affect me. I never thought I was one of those people who suffer from, I wouldn't even say I suffer from depression. No, I don't even understand that, because I think I'm too much of a upbeat person. But I am aware that there's changes that do affect you when there's no sunlight. And I try to cope with those changes by doing little things like this, like stepping outside my house, even when I don't feel like it, at least once or twice a week. Yup, I take my little mini-me and we find something to do, because there's always something to do. But look at what we're dealing with here. How do you cope with this grayness? Do you enjoy the leaves falling in the fall? And how do you get out there and enjoy these moments? I try to do activities that are going on. I try to get out and do some shopping in person, because I tend to shop online. But Burlington, you can't really shop online. But what are some of your favorite stores? I love Burlington, TJ Maxx, Marshalls. But I'm about to go in here, and I'm going to stop in right before I go in and check in and let you see what's on my mind a little more. But let me know what you think about this time of year. Do you get a little sad, depressed, a little unmotivated? I find myself getting less motivated, so I try to do little things to perk myself up, because having a good attitude and positive vibes truly is an active thing. It doesn't just come to you. It's just like watering a plant. You got to prune things out. You got to give it that nourishment, or you'll just have a bunch of weeds. Okay, so let me know what you're thinking. Hey, subbies and friends, this is Lady T, just stopping in to say what's up on my way to Burlington. Got some returns. Gonna see if I'm not really shopping for anything, just seeing what kind of winter stuff they got, like sweaters, maybe some boots. Let's see how this go. I hope you're enjoying your day. We're in the fall. I had to get my whole mind right. How do you get your mind right in the fall when it was just 80 degrees a week ago and now it's 50 and gloomy? But we must go on. We have to refocus ourselves. I'm starting to realize that I really do have to give myself time when the seasons change. And I like the fall, but I just wasn't ready. I found myself just like wanting to be in the house. I'm like, life goes on. Let's get out. Let's get these things done. And one way I try to refocus myself is just really go all in and prepare for that season. I mean, Halloween's coming up. I'm not much of a Halloween person. What about you? When I was a kid, I was into it. We would go trick-or-treating, we would dress up. I never had a costume, so I would have to make my own costumes, honey. But how y'all feel about Halloween? Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas, I just can't believe it. It's too much. So I'll go to Burlington, get some stuff. I gotta go to Old Navy, and I'll be back with you real soon. Bye-bye. All right, so again, recognizing what you really love. And one of my favorite parts of Burlington is kind of looking at the skincare products. You know, they always have all kinds of random stuff like the natural deodorants and all that. And this is a prime example, a video from about a week ago. We were up in here wearing shorts, okay, because I've been looking for this child some boots. But how do you deal with these weird changes? I don't know, but you got to keep going. Keep finding those things you love. All right, talk to you soon. Enjoy your day. All right, so here we are. I just cut up a red onion just to put in here something somewhat fresh right before I throw them in the oven. It's at 350. And I'm going to put them in a tortilla and just wrap them up and throw them in the oven for probably 10 minutes or something. Here are my tacos on their way into the oven. And I'm going to wrap them up in the taco in the aluminum foil. But I typically would wrap them up and fold the bottom and make them into a little burrito looking taco, but this is what they're looking like. The purple onion helped to bring some color to it, and those are my little quick tacos. Hope you've enjoyed the video.